Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So Amanda and I are getting ready to take Toby for a ride, but what he doesn't know is that he's going back to the vet. Yeah, Toby has some dietary concerns and he's overweight, so we've started using a prescription dog food. And we got a small bag to test and he ate it just fine. He's liking it and it's less calories, so this little fat man here can lose some weight. So now that we know that it works, we're going to head on back to the vet today, grab a bigger bag. And that's not too far away, so we're going to take him for a ride. Amanda's going to be riding the Truxus Explorer. This is the first version, not the newest model. I'm going to be riding the brand new Velotric Fold 1. We've got the Toby trailer here, which is a Trixie brand you can find on Amazon. Let's see. Down here it says Dog Racer. Over here it says Friends on Tour. But you know, there's nothing on here that tells you the name or brand of this little thing. And I just, because I bought this used, I had a hard time finding it. But we did find it on Amazon. It's called Trixie, or Trixie Trailer, or something like that. It's a nice little trailer. That's our setup today. Amanda and I are going to be wearing the Sena helmets for communication, so we can communicate with each other. And yeah, that's probably all you need to know. Let's get going. Toby, get up here, buddy. Come on, let's go. Let's go for a ride. Come on, dude. He's been patiently waiting. Now he's confused, like, oh, is it finally time to get in there? Because I don't know. I'm so confused. Go. Come on. Doofus. Where are you going? He always wants to get in here. Toby, come here.
Toby, let's go.
Come on, get in there, buddy.
There we go.
It just takes you, huh?
It always takes me.
He wouldn't go for me, but he'll go for you.
Always.
What is up with that?
I'm an animal whisperer.
Maybe because I haven't given him a treat, because he's so, you know,
well, yeah,
large.
I've given him some banana and a little bit of apple today.
Well, that's it. He'll listen to you because he's had banana and apple. Maybe that's why he's a little overweight, because people keep giving him treats and stuff, man.
I don't give him treats every day. It's an occasional thing.
Mm-hmm. Hey, your helmet's not on. That's why I'm not hearing you, and the people aren't hearing you either, because your helmet's not on. Or is it dead? Is your helmet dead, Manda? Say something?
Hello.
It's not working.
Hello.
Where's Toby? Bring Toby up here so we can see him. There we go. Hey, buddy. You in there somewhere? He's in there. He's looking the other way. It's kind of hard to see because it's, you know, black dog, shadowy environment. Yeah. Amanda's kind of hard to see too, especially in shadowy environments. She's sticking her tongue out at me. All right, here we go. Come on.
Oh my goodness, you missed the little baby bird.
I missed the baby bird. Oh, well.
Yeah, tiny little thing.
Really? Or was it just a small breed and it was an adult bird? It's just small.
Nope. You know those big, what are those called? Those crane-looking things?
Oh, yeah, it was one of those guys.
I was one of those.
Oh.
There's a little itty-bitty baby.
Oh, that's cool. Just a little noisy today.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Little noisy, whole lot noisy. Little man doing okay back there?
Yeah.
He doesn't like noise, and that was crazy loud right there, so he might be in a panic.
Yeah, he's panting. He might be a little stressed.
He might be a little stressed. He likes going for rides, though. And then we got to cross the road again. Have a pain in the butt. Here we go. Little black car coming out right here.
See, thank you.
Speed bump. Slow down for Toby. There you go. Come on up here, Amanda. Gotta see some Toby time. Gotta have Toby time, buddy. Toby! 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 What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Huh? Little tongue hanging out. By the time we get there, he'll be ready for some water.
No, definitely.
Hey, it's only 3 minutes away, so it's nice and close.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Nope. Right and left, looks good. We have arrived. All right, Toby. Let's go, little man. Let's go get you some kibble. Whoa, stay there, buddy. We got to get this leash off, get the other leash on. The people don't know that story who might be new here, but Toby didn't used to wear a leash inside the trailer until he tried to exit the trailer when we were going down the road once, and so now he's got to be leashed in. Ready? Come on, let's go. Pavement is hot. Let's go over here. Come on, it's hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. Woo! How about that? Hey, how are you? No appointment. I need to get some kibble.
Oh, you guys rode your bikes today.
Yeah,
All
we
right.
did. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, nice and close.
Yep. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Take care. Let's go, buddy. Oh, yum. We got kibble for you. Yeah, we do. Let's go. There you go, dude. Come on. Toby. He's like, I don't want it. Gotta go somewhere.
Oh, there you go, Toby.
How to cool him off. Alright, let's go. We got the kibble. Let's go home.
Wasn't ready and you took off.
Well, I kept trying to talk to you and you weren't responding.
Because my helmet wasn't on.
What'd you turn the helmet off for?
I didn't know how long it was going to take.
Yeah, Amanda has a habit of leaving her helmet on. Good on you for remembering to turn it off, Manders. Oh. I think I need to reduce some tire pressure here just a little bit. What's this FedEx guy doing? He's not even in the driver's seat, it doesn't look like. Oh, he's down the street delivering a package. There's a car coming, so we're going to wait. There, he's running down the street. Donk, 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 donk. Here we go. Here we go. You sure you don't want that couch? It's still there.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It's such a great looking couch.
I don't know what kind of bugs and critters have been crawling in it.
Man, I would never take a couch from the side of the road, no matter how desperate I am. Okay, so Mr. FedEx guy is behind us, so stay to the right. Look out, Steve. Look out, Steve. Run, Steve. Show you something different. You're always looking to see what's in front of me. You never see what's beside me. Nothing over there. Not much over here. Speed hump. Secure all Tobys. Fasten your seatbelt.
He's good.
All right. Dead end. I wonder what's down that road. We should check it out sometime. Could be something fun to go down there and see. Big truck, a little car, big truck, slowing down, little car, and shooting across. Gonna do a little off-roading here. It's a big bump right here, Amanda. Right where I'm at, you're good?
Yep, I see.
Oh, yeah, this is really sandy and, oh, yeah, that's really nasty stuff. Nobody coming to the right. Get back over here into the bike lane. Woo! That allows us to avoid one turn signal there. One change of the light. We'll get up here on our multi-use path, sidewalk. Little bump at the end, nobody behind us. That's turning, that is. And we're going to avoid this light again, so we're going to keep on going, Amanda. I'm going to wait for you to catch up, though, before we make this next maneuver up here so we can do it together. Ready? All right, so it's clear to the right, nobody coming out of the parking lot. Currently, no one behind us. Going to zip out here into the bicycle lane. Pick up your pace. Let's get moving a little bit here because it's clear behind us. If it remains that way for another 10 seconds, we're going to shoot across. We're good. Shoot across. All right, we're cruising now. Now we got to wait for this traffic.
There's a car behind us, look out.
Okay, well, I'm getting ready to turn, so he's going to have to wait.
I was getting ready to get his license plate because he was about to pass us.
Well,
He was getting a little aggressive back there, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Aggressive and impatient.
Some people don't like cyclists.
And I don't like them either.
I don't like them either. I don't like people.
No?
All right, so that was a nice quick little trip. Grabbing some Toby Kibble. Got us all out for a short little ride. That's going to be it for this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Smile. Have a nice day. All that good stuff. See you in another video soon.